My name is Imran Ali, and I have been teaching as an English teacher in Science Science School and College from last 5 years. So, first of all, I would like to thank and I would like to congratulate Zubair and his all team that these people invited me and they gave an opportunity to me to express my views regarding this topic. So before coming to the main point or main issue, first I just want to tell you about this gathering, that why we are here, why we are gathered here. Actually, the main purpose of this gathering is to motivate the young students, right? So I think it's an initial step taken from Mr. Zubair in a city like Kabir, because this is something you can say backward area, right? So there is bad need of motivation to young students. Actually, after completing the metric and intermediate, most of the students, they are totally unaware where they should go, what is good for them, what is not good for them. They are not able to understand, right? So this is very, very important that we must motivate them. We must tell them this is good beta, this is good for you, this is not good for you. And one more problem in our education system or in our society is that everyone wants to make his son or daughter doctor or engineer, right? We get them continuously pressure, right? So this is you can say there is a race of getting good marks. Everybody wants to get 1000 marks. And something he wants to get good marks, but he doesn't know that what are the interests of that person, where he wants to go. This is not the issue, right? So वो बच्चा है, स्टूडेंट है, वो प्रेशर कुकर तो है नहीं, वो प्रेशर इतना वो अफोर्ड कर सके. So I think there is a bad need of motivation. We must provide motivation to the student. After that, I would like to say something about our education system. Actually, I have some issues regarding this our education system, that there is no interaction between the student and the teacher. Sir is sitting here, he is senior teacher. He is totally aware of this problem, that we do not have any interaction with our students. Even student while sitting in the classroom, he is always in pressure situation. He is always hesitate to ask question to his teacher. Whatever teacher teaches him, it doesn't matter that it is right or wrong. He just follow his teacher. So I think, according to me, there must be participation from both the sides, right? From teacher side, from the student side also. At least there must be participation of 30% from the student side. This is the major drawback of our education system. So I just want to say that we must motivate young students that where they have to go according to their interest, according to their future plannings, right? So at the end, I would congratulate Mr. Zubair and his team that they have taken a very good step in an area like Kabir, and I think inshallah they will improve themselves. I wish them best of luck. And at that, I would like to say something about my institution. Science School and College. We have been working from last 25 years to 25 years. And Alhamdulillah, we have good positions in board exams, and we have Alhamdulillah very good, you can say, name in the history of Kabir. So if anybody wants to visit, he can come here. Thank you very much.